about how to use Siri to hang up a call on iPhone 14. If you know an iPhone 14, you can hang up on the active phone or a FaceTime call using a virtual assistant. Siri, keep reading to learn how it's works. With With each version of iOS, Apple seeks to improve the accessibility feature of its mobile operating system to ensure that many people can use it as easily possible, and that's been no different. It is longer release iOS 16. Apple has recognized that some users may need or prefer help when hanging up a phone or FaceTime call. And thanks to the new accessibility feature, how now you can get Siri to do it for you so you doesn't have to flip a finger. Simply follow this step to turn the function on your voice note. Information in this article apply to iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. First, start the setting app on your iPhone 14. Go to accessibility, scroll down to the bottom and under general, tap Siri. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Call Hang Up. Tap Switch next to Call Hang Up to enable the function. Next is how now it's done. The next time you wish to end a phone or FaceTime call, simply say, "Hey Siri, hang up the call." Note that the other person or people on the call will hear your request to Siri before being hung up on.